Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a peach milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe peaches, peeled and sliced, along with 1 cup of your favorite vanilla ice cream. Also, have 1/2 cup of milk, preferably whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These simple items are all you need to create a delicious, refreshing treat in just a few minutes. Next, let's prepare those delicious peaches. Carefully place your peeled and sliced peaches into your blender. Add just a splash of milk to help them blend smoothly. Now, blend the peaches until they are completely pureed. You want a nice, smooth consistency with no large chunks, ensuring a silky texture for your milkshake. This step is key for a perfect peach flavor throughout. Now it's time to bring everything together for that perfect milkshake consistency. Add the 1 cup of vanilla ice cream to the blender with your peach puree. Pour in the remaining milk and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Secure the lid tightly and blend until the mixture is thick, creamy, and well combined. Scrape down the sides if needed to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Carefully pour your freshly blended peach milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh peach slice or a dollop of whipped cream. Serve it immediately to experience the best flavor and frosty texture. This easy method ensures a delightful, refreshing treat every time. Enjoy your homemade peach milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.